Does Venus have plate tectonics? Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Venus size. Sterile, dry, high temperature and high pressure. Magellan was on a mission about 30 years ago after the last large-scale investigation of Venus. So far, Venus still leaves 9 mysteries to scientists. Has Venus ever created life? Scientists are determined to explore the main prototype of the exoplanets. They want to know if there is life on this planet or if there were creatures in the past. If so, what kind of life do these creatures lead? Similar to the simple microbes on Earth? Or something we have never seen before? Venus is no exception. Although its surface temperature is higher than 462 Rs, atmospheric pressure is 92 times higher than that of Earth, and it is covered by a thick sulfuric acid cloud, which scientists firmly believe is still alive and well in Venus clouds. How other planets in the solar system can survive? People are excited. Why do Venus and Earth act differently? Venus and Earth are both identical in size and density. It is fair to say that the two contexts must be very similar, but the two are completely different. For example, most parts of the Earth have a pleasant climate, but Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, and the temperature is high enough to melt lead. Was it too cruel when Venus formed, or did something change to what it is today? In the long run, will the current Venus be the face of the Earth in the future? How does Venus form? This basic problem is still a mystery. In fact, scientists have not been able to confirm whether Venus was bombed by water-filled comets and asteroids such as Earth. These impacts may be a major reason for the appearance of water on the planet. Whether Venus has seas in the past. The structure of Venus' atmosphere. Venus has a very dense atmosphere, which contains mainly carbon dioxide and a very small amount of nitrogen. Its density is 12 times lower than that of liquid water. It can manifest strange behavior. Scientists are curious about this unfamiliar state. How do rocks form on Venus? The Soviet Vega 2 mission was the last spacecraft to successfully cross Venus' atmosphere and land on the surface in 1985. Although the instrument only survived for 52 minutes, the surrounding basalt plains formed by the volcano were found near the landing site. However, other observations indicate the presence of a special mosaic block outside the volcanic plain, which is a severely deformed portion of the surface landscape, which may indicate the formation of an Earth-like plate structure. How much water does Venus cover? Liquid water is essential for life. If we do not know how much water Venus may have and when and how it will be lost, we cannot estimate how long Venus can live. Scientists can use the chemical composition of Venusian rock to unravel the mystery of water. Is there any geological activity on the surface of Venus? Although there is no evidence for a similar Earth plate tectonics on Venus, some scientists believe the planet may have retained horizontally moving plates, but have disappeared over time. Scientists are currently investigating whether volcanic activity is on the surface of Venus, and their eruption of power. Mountains of Venus. Previous Venus landers only took photos of surface basalts, and not all of the Venus mountains were explored by tools. Those rough terrain may help scientists understand Venus erosion, and there may be sedimentary rocks in the Venus mountains. Are there planets like Venus outside the solar system? With the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope next month, exoplanets such as Venus are expected to become the most frequently observed exoplanets by the telescope. This new data will improve the existing Venus model and help us better understand what Venus looks like at each evolutionary stage. NASA has decided to send 2 new studies, Da Vinci and Veritas, to Venus over the next 10 years. Like the motto of the Da Vinci team to conduct a comprehensive investigation, Venus is coming here. We must explore all the mysteries that are hidden Venus.